Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President Florida SunCoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Here we are on the eve of January 21st, and coming up on our annual dinner, Get-Out-of-Town Dinner up in Tampa at the Aquarium. Looking forward to that. Looking forward to seeing a lot of folks. Sell-out event, so going to be packed. We'll have a great time. We have an officers board and area governors meeting Saturday from noon to about 3 o'clock in Tampa as well. And we'll report on that as we, in the next coming weeks on what our 2023 schedule is going to be. A lot of things on the calendar. I think you may have noticed if you look down the calendar, just about everything, every weekend now is booked. Hey, want to give a shout out to just all the area governors, just doing a great job. Justin, Courtney, John, Al, Meribeth, Kevin, Tony, Rob coming, and we have a new area governor coming down into the Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte area, John, and then Mario and Carol down here, and we have a new surprise new area governor coming in for the Naples, Marco Island Naples area. So I think I'll be able to announce that in just a week or so. So looking forward to that. Just a lot of things on the calendar to do. So get it all signed up. Take a look down below in the calendar at the RSVPs and pick out the stuff that you like to do. We're back at the BMW Sarasota first Saturday of the month on the BMW property. So that's Rob Hollister's territory, and Fran Dance, one of our board members, and Russ Garvey help anchor that, but doing a fine job. We're back up and running at BMW Sarasota, so glad to have that back on thing. Let me just do a shout out to John Schneider. John's our new area governor. He's not new to the chapter. John's been around for a number of years, but John stepped up and took over the AG role there in Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte. His first event was a rooftop breakfast on a Sunday morning at the Wyvern Hotel. Great success. I think we had like 23, 25 folks out on his very first outing. So John, congratulations to that. I know he's got an event coming up February 5th, I believe, at the in Punta Gorda there. Take a look down below. I believe it's Austin's is the name of the restaurant, but it's a Sunday morning breakfast, 9 to 10:30. So take a part of that. Come on out, and we're just cranking up some new arenas here for you to enjoy and all that kind of stuff. So here we are, 2023. Lots of things to do, and as we say always, check us out. Get off the sofa. Other than that, happy motoring, y'all. See you soon. Thanks.